Hey everyone, in this video I am going to share with you a different thing. Never I have created any website related video. I just worked with app, but I also develop a website, and I also develop customized website, WordPress website, e-commerce website. If you need any support, any service like that, you can contact with me. You can see that one is the app I have created, which is built with node mailer to check the all form. Then when user is submit the data, then two mail will send. One is from user to confirm their information is submitted, and another mail will send to admin to check someone submitted a form. And I am using Gmail. You can also use any third party mail services which provide SMTP services. You can see that first of all it's header, and it's actually full responsive applications. You can see that full responsive. Yeah, you can see header and some footer have available here. It's designed from my preferences, and let's see how work the applications. You can see that some options, it's if I click on any of them, then it will go to the next step. It's a German language actually. If I click one, then the next question will be shown up. If I click on another one, and next question will also shown up, then next question. If I click on next, then also next button will clickable. This is the next button, and this is the previous button. It's just a German language. If I click on one, then one, here we have to fill up those form. Suppose I'm giving demo. It's like New York City, and just New York. I'm providing New York, and just as demo text. Okay, if I click on next, then it will show another text. Then I am going to check it. My name and second name is, and providing email address. The email address, if I provide here, the confirmation message will come here, and I'm providing just a, then if I clicking on it, then you can see that submitting your information, and after submitting your information, this is the confirmation message, and you will see the message from message to this mail. If I open the mail from my phone, you will see that. Let me open my phone. It's actually iPhone. Yeah, I think you can able to see my iPhone screen. And if I going to Gmail, what is the mail, or if I go to this mail Gmail address, Gmail, and load, no, it's not came yet. Let's refresh, or just going to my Gmail. Let's open Gmail. Yeah, this is mailbox, and you can see that new information submitted. If I click on it, all the information, you can see that from this mail address and this phone number, and you can see that mail address. And if I go to any of the address like this one, then you will see the confirmation message. Let's click on all inbox, new information submitted. Yeah, this is one. You can see that, hi, my name, then thank you for your submitting information, you will get back shortly. That means our node mail are working well. How can we do that? Let's get started. For that I am creating new Next.js project. Let's create a Next.js project with my Visual Studio Code. Before that I am going to create a file on my desktop, and this is the Next.js project. I'm going to create a new project folder which is for node mailer project. Okay, I'm going to this, and if I open terminal on it, then open my VS Code here. Okay, for after that I'm creating a Next.js project. For that I'm going to Safari browser and going to Next.js official website, so that you can up to date on the Next.js project. And going to doc, what is Next.js, going to installation, and just copy it and paste it on your terminal. It will create a new Next.js application. I'm creating, yes, I'm going to provide a name of my application, it's node mailer project. Going to just give a name, yes, lint, yes, tailwind, yes, I want to src directory, yes, and app router, yes, and I'm also giving it yes, and that's it. And the project will be ready in few minutes. Let's wait for it. It's creating my project. Yeah, project it created. I am just cleaning my terminal and going to the project and open it on new window. Yeah, I also close this window, and that's it, I think. Yeah, and just I want to check is everything okay or not. And I'm clicking on it. Yeah, our Next.js project is running. Then going to write some code here and pages. I'm just closing it. Next functional component and export, this is the next, and if this is the first page. Okay, then if I go to the this is my first page. That means our local server is running. You can say that localhost 3000 port. Okay, let's create a form. For that easy to create a form, I am going to my website. You will see I will provide the link in the description, and I'm going to open one of the, let me check front end. Yeah, I'm going to one of my blog, which will be recover. Yeah, this is the step-by-step guide for the node mailer. How can we use node mailer? So I'm going to creating I have already created the applications, run the applications and install node mailer. I will going to install node mailer. Okay, let's install node mailer. I am opening another terminal. Yeah, node mailer is installed. Then I'm going to the site again, and you can see that I have to create form. Let's create a form before doing any other thing. Let's create a form. Here you can see that all information you will find here. Just copying it. Okay, then going to VS Code and just paste the whole component. Here is the issue. I'm just giving it a JSX so that no okay, and form handler. Let's see how is the website. Next.js project are, yeah, you can see that recipient mail, subject and message and send mail. If I click on it, then mail will be sent. I'm just providing the functionalities, how the functionality work on node mailer. You can see, that's why I just copy and pasted the component. Here is the explanation. You have to provide state, then all mail is stored in the mail data, then message stored in here, and set mail data, previous mail data and target name and value will be stored in the mail data. Okay, then one is the function handle submit function. It's arrow functions. Then I will do it later. Just comment it out. Right now you can see that one is a header, then it's totally form, and it is mail input. Then another one is text input, which is subject, and another one is text area. Okay, let's write some code to send the mail. I'm going to my website again. Okay, this is the component and this is the actual backend code we have to create an API on app routing Next.js. Just copying it. I will explain it after paste on the box, and you can see also see the app, then going to API, then send mail, then route. Okay, You can go any of your file format, you can create any of them. I'm going to that where, yeah, and let's see, yep, I'm creating a file API, then send email slash route dot ts and pasting the code. Here you can see that node mailer. Okay, let's see, is there any issues or not? What is the issues actually? Okay, I just commented out this is the problem, just uncomment it. And here is the issues, node mailer. If I run this again, npm run dev, yeah, it's perfectly fine. Going to code, and here is an issues, could not find declaration module node mailer user next.js node modular implicitly any. It's just in TypeScript issues. I'm going to give it the name as this, yeah, then don't, it's not need any TypeScript code. Next request and next response come from the next server, then continue to subject text which will come from request.json, request come from post method, and I'm just, yeah, then for our node mailer we have to create transporter, then we according to transporter we pick the transporter, then send mail, and we have to provide options. Okay, and here you can see that on the transporter node mailer, we get from node mailer packages, then create transporter, we created the transporter. Here you can see that service, host, and port, and auth. Actually you have to provide email and password. This is not your mail password, you have to create an password. How can you create the password? I'll share with you. You have to provide, when you use any SMTP like Zoho or SendGrid, then those information will you find from the sandbox, or you using any service, they will provide that. I'm using Gmail, that's why I'm providing it service as a Gmail and host as a smtp.gmail.com. then port is 465. You can also provide secure true, this is for 465, and unsecure port, I think, let's see if Copilot suggests or not. No, it's not suggesting. Then secure false port, yeah, this is the another port 587. It's unsecure, it's not, when your site is not provide SSL, then you can go with that, but I'm going to secure method. This is the secure port and secure is true. Okay, then we have to create a user, email user and user password. You can just give your Gmail address and you have to create another password. To create a password, we are going to an same blog post here and scroll down, and you can see that a link. I'm copying the link and going to this link. I'm trying to log in. For creating password, you have to have two-step verification. How can you go to two-step verification? Just I'm managing my account, and you can go to security, and you can say that two-step verification is active on my phone. And if I go to this, if you have created app before, then you will see it. I don't have password, then I'm going to create a password with using this link. Using which link? Using this link, yeah. And you have to log in with your Gmail account. I'm creating a password note mailer demo. This is the just app name, and you can see that 16-digit password. I'm just copying it and pasting on it. Environment variable dot env dot local. I'm providing the password. It's remove those space from here. Okay, just copying the environment variable. Where is it? Yeah, this is the environment setup. I'm copying it and pasting on it, and on the password section provide the password, and email section I'm going to give my email address 6059. This is email address. The message will be go with this from this mail address, and we have created a password. You already seen that. How can I create the password, right? Then almost we have done everything. And if I going to route section, you can see that this portion is done. Then you have to pick the transporter, then send mail, and this method will be asynchronous, because if you create just transporter.send mail, it will not work all the time. You have to provide a asynchronous method. You have to go with a async await or dot then. Okay, then I'm pick the transporter and dot send, and you can see that mail options, and mail options is here. From mail options you can provide your name. This name will shown up on the mail section. If I going to this one, you can see that this name will shown up here. It is solar calculator, it's shown in here, and this is your mail name, and it's 2, and submit, and it's from and which mail address you want to send. We got the 2 variable from here, and the variable come from our pages, which is handle submit, and you can see that we call the post method API calling, and providing as a body JSON string frame mail data. All the data will provided to subject and text. When to will provided any mail, that means if I going to my address, when provide any email address, then the mail go to that email address, and this is the subject. I think everything is fine. And mail, yeah, everything is fine. What's the error in here? I am just deleting this. Yeah, everything is fine now. And just try catch. If transporter mail send the mail, you can see that subject and subject provide and text. You can provide any text or you can provide HTML. Also here you can provide HTML. I'm just going to the text and try transporter mail sent. Then I will return the response email sent successful, and if fail, then email send will be failed. Let's try it on the browser. I'm going to take temp mail so that you can see exactly working or not. It's loading. Okay, I'm copying it and providing mail and providing subject note mailer testing, then message, please subscribe to this channel, and sending the mail. Let's see what is the feedback come from here. Email sent successful. You can see that email sent successful, and I'm going to temp mail, and if I load, then you can see that Fazle Rabbi from mail, this one, and this is the subject. If I expand it, then you can see that the message. This is the simple way to use node mailer. So if you want to build your any applications like e-commerce or any type of application, any custom applications, then you can contact with me. All contact details you will find on the description box. I think it's going to long video, so thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Our code is working file right now in locally, but how can we deploy it on remote, and how can we appoint a domain to this website? Let's create a GitHub repository. I'm going to github.com, create a new repository, new repo, and providing node mailer check, and I'm going to public this one so that you can copy paste the code, or you can check the code. If you come on this GitHub repository, then please provide a star and just copying it and pasting on it here. Then git add, git commit initial, git push. Yeah, let's post and let's check it's came here or not. Yeah, all the codes is came here, and going to Fazle account, Fazle, yeah, Fazle. It's loading, and to just go to Fazle, not any project. It's taking too much time. Let's go to Fazle from here. So Fazle dashboard. It's taking too much time. Yeah, creating new project on Fazle project. You can say that import from git repository. You have to connect your GitHub. I have already connected my GitHub to Fazle, so that I can just get it from here. I think internet is too much slower. Let's check on my phone internet. You have to connect your GitHub. I think the internet issues actually. Yeah, it's connected, and these fast applications loading dashboard error. This one we have already created environment variable on here. Going to environment variable name and name, and value is this one. Add, then other one is email pass. We already seen that how can I create email pass, and password is here. Which one? This one. And add. That's it. I'm creating deploy. and I will also connect with my domain name. Let's go to my, let's log in my domain name. I use Namecheap. The service is very well. Login. And this is my domain. Just going to domain. This domain, what is the alert? November 2, October 2. Okay, clicking on manage, going to advanced DNS. Yeah, we have to provide DNS to it. Let's see the update of congratulations. Going to dashboard. And if I click on visit, then this is the live site. I am also go to another temp mail, copying it. It's local services. I don't need the local. Yeah, this is the live site. Just providing the mail address, then second subject demo. This is second test for node mailer. Then click on send email, and email send success. Let's check it. Scroll down. Yeah, this email is came here, second subject, and second subject, this is the second test. If I go to verify on it, you can see the same here and same also here. So mail is working correctly. Then we provide our domain name to it. Actually, I will provide the subdomain. Then going to overview, deployment settings, domain, then I'm providing domain node mailer dot, this is my original website name, and creating a subdomain, adding, then the domain verification is pending. So verify the domain, we have to provide txt type, then name is Fazle, then value is this. Let's providing this txt underscore Fazle. I'm going to my and add new record txt Fazle, then this one, let's copy it, and here I'll paste it and save the changes. Let's go to here, and it's automatically refreshing. Let's wait for verification. Yeah, this is another option. We have to provide CNAME record, node mailer, then value is this CNAME record. Let's go to domain section again. CNAME record, host is this, and this will be node mailer. I think this one, yes. I'm just copy pasting because of get rid of from the spelling mistake. Then going to here, it's will refreshing. It's automatically will gone after getting this CNAME records. Yeah, it's now in production. Valid config and assigned to main. Then I'm just copying the link and let's check it's working or not. Yeah, it's working right now. You can see that this is the name, and let's check again with temp mail. Copy this one, right? Then for the new domain, habi jabi, sending the mail. It's taking too much time. I'm going to another browser. Provide, create new temp mail, subject this one, email of this one. Let's send mail. Yeah, email sent successful. Let's check the temp mail again. Searching. Yeah, this mail is came. Yeah, this is confirmed. That's it for the video. You can see that this is the new domain appointed for this project, and this is also a domain, subdomain actually. And if you like, if you interested with this video and with this channel, please like the video. It will be, if it will be helpful. Thank you for watching the full video. Bye for now.